SMT Nation, we back. Nation, the DOJ is suing Apple for antitrust, monopoly in the smartphone market. Let's talk about it here in today's video. A link for the CNBC article will be provided. That's down in the description. Ways to support us can be found there as well. Please do like and share this video. If you're new, subscribe. Turn on that bell notification icon to never miss an upload. All right, folks, so what's the claim? What is the DOJ doing here? Well, they're suing Apple for basically being a monopoly within the smartphone industry. So the new antitrust lawsuit from the United States Department of Justice is alleging that Apple is on purpose, knowingly, with intent, creating anti-competitive industrial moves to basically corner their business within the smartphone industry. Quote from Attorney General Merrick Garland: consumers should not have to pay higher prices because companies violate the antitrust laws. We allege Apple has maintained monopoly power in the smartphone market, not simply by staying ahead of the competition on its merits, but by violating federal antitrust law. If left unalleged, Apple will only continue to strengthen its smartphone monopoly. Now, to call a spade here, we do know that the DOJ has been attacking big tech for a while now, and we've seen, gaming industry lawsuits. We've seen Amazon under scrutiny, but in this particular case, it's Apple. Another quote: this lawsuit threatens who we are and the principles that set Apple products apart in fiercely competitive markets, according to Apple. If successful, it would hinder our ability to create the kind of technology people expect from Apple. Hardware, software, and services intersect. It also sets a dangerous precedent, empowering government to take a heavy hand in designing people's technology. So there is the stance from the two sides, folks. An 88-page complaint here from multiple states, I think 15 states, including California, New Jersey, Oklahoma, North Dakota, and Washington, D.C. It's really about, trying to protect smartphone customers, right? And I think smartwatches get thrown in here as well. Apple's walled garden with applications. What do you guys think? Do you think the DOJ has a case here? I mean, you guys are Apple consumers and users. Where do I stand on this? I don't like telling companies what to do if they're not violating anything. So if this is indeed not a violation or antitrust, then obviously the DOJ is off base. Could it be? I guess it could be. But I do think that part of this is the consumer is culpable. For the longest time, there were several smartphone companies available to the consumer, and they all died. All that we're left with is Google, which I think makes a lesser device in a way, although they do have an ecosystem, and then so does Samsung. So I'm not really sure, but I guess it depends how you look at it. What's your take? Sound off in the comment section below. Is Apple wrong here? Is the DOJ on the right spot? Tell me what you think. Sound off in the comment section below. The voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.